step into the Ram 2019 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, Tradesman Level 2 equipment group included, 1-year Sirius XM radio service, Sirius XM satellite radio, rear window defroster, satin chrome interior door handles. For more info call 800-643-2112. Rear power sliding window, carpet floor covering, remote keyless entry, transmission, 6-speed automatic, 68 RFE, included, urethane shift knob, electric shift on the fly transfer case, diamond black crystal pearl coat, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT 275/70 R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18 inch.